Life is such a beautiful thing. Don't you think? If you guys enjoying this content, don't forget to like this content here. Also, click on the bell. Come on, be a part of the notification. This is a blast from the past. Look at this McDonald's. I haven't had McDonald's in so long. So only when I have coupons, right? When the coupons roll out, I come by. All right. So the throwback meal, really crazy, ladies and gentlemen. They actually did bring back the memories of this bag here, and just looking at pretty much the McFlurry cup, this cup, and the chicken nuggets. So I didn't get the throwback chicken nugget stuff, but this brought back a lot of memories back when I was young. Right? So what we have today, ladies and gentlemen, we have a big menu today. We got 6-piece nuggets. We got a Diet Coke. Just kidding, it's just a Coke today. I was treating myself, right? We got the Big Mac. We got the French fries. We got I'll show you guys after, but more in detail. I got the crispy chicken or spicy chicken and the original McChicken and the Oreo McFlurry. You know what? McDonald's brought back all the retro stuff, but did not bring back that beautiful white and red striped straw though. Hurts me, McDonald's. So let's go. Sip on this Coke. Super pumped for this. I like that a lot. Best Coke, best Sprite, best soft drinks you can ever get at McDonald's, right? They have their own secret formula, you know? They're like, Coca-Cola, you sell me the formula and I'll make it, twist my take on it, right? Nobody has better Coca-Cola or Sprite than McDonald's. Bite on this. French fries. Best fries in the world. You know, I always say Five Guys have best fries, but I just want to say McDonald's has really good fries. Super pumped for this. They actually do. They really do. They actually really do. Don't mind that white car going back and forth, ladies and gentlemen. The mom seems to be training her son how to drive. Just don't hit my car. I'm parked real far. Okay. What can I say more about McDonald's fries? They're delicious. The Big Mac. Okay. I haven't had a Big Mac in so long, so you know what's in the Big Mac. Should I just open it? No, if I open it, it's gonna just spill everywhere. Guys, bite on this. Take the first bite. Yeah, got it. Nice. Super for this. I like how it's all set up. Super for this. No, we got two-hand this. We got two-hand this, my friend. When you bite into a Big Mac, mean it. How many bites do you think I can finish this in? You guys put it down there. Alright. Wait. That's good. Get that Coke too. Oh man, that's good. That's so good. Now, growing up, when you eat McDonald's growing up, you know the feels. Not having it in a while. Alright, put it down there. How many bites? This still looks like a very big bite. Okay? How many bites? Okay, put it down there. Locked it in. You guys got it? Alright. Hopefully you're right. So that's only 2 bites. And the Whopper took me 3 bites. That just means the Whopper is bigger. Now, you guys remember this box? Let me open the 6-piece for you. Ah, man. By itself first. Quick tap. There we go. Super pumpkin. I don't think I had this in a while. I just want to say, coming back from my McDonald's fast, I can say that, or fast food fast. Everything tastes delicious. From Burger King to McDonald's. Everything does taste really delicious. Okay, what is this? Sweet and sour? Sweet and sour sauce. Let's go. 1 dip only. I actually remember this sauce being more lighter and more orange, not brown and all around. Guys, bite on this. Mmm. I like that a lot. Just because I haven't had these in a while, these actually feels more juicier than before. Maybe I got in a good time. That's all. Very good. Alright, next, there's spicy chicken sandwich. So, pretty much like a McChicken. Iceberg lettuce. Some of their spicy sauce and the beautiful patty. Kind of looks like, kind of looks like my chicken. I took a piece of that sauce there. Excuse me. Has a kick. Guys, bite on this. You just got nice. So proud of this. I'd say, well seasoned chicken cutlet. The spicy sauce has a kick, but it's not spicy. But this kind of reminds me of the McChicken, but just with a little heat. This is what I remembered. Always McChicken with the McChicken sauce with iceberg lettuce. I like it when they put the sauce on the side, you know. Because you just get the sauce on the side. Bite on this, quick tap. This guy, nice. Super pumped for this. As I remember. As I remember. Nothing much to say about the McChicken, but this is as I remember. That's it. As I remember. That's that good quality McChicken. You know? Processed, delicious, crispy chicken. You know, back in the day, remember back in the day when McDonald's had those McDeals? I think it was like Monday was like 69-cent cheeseburgers. Tuesday was like $1.25 with chicken. Remember those days? Those were the best days. But I just want to say, if you ever want their McDeals ever again, that's where they are. They're in Vietnam. Right there. McFlurry in the McFlurry cup. Yep. What is this? You know, they're going back retro, but they're going pre-modern with this one. What happened to that spoon that we almost sucked up on for some reason? You guys remember that spoon? I always thought it was a straw. What would have happened? Okay, they're going retro with everything, but leaving out that straw spoon. Guys, bite on this. Quick tap. This guy, nice. Pump this. The taste is still there. You know what? I kind of like this spoon. Gives it that good woody taste to this. Remember eating those small cups of ice cream? Like the ice cream was good, but even better, that woody spoon, you know? I like that. I like that a lot. That's a throwback taste right there. That's a throwback taste right there. God, I love that.